Looking for the best asphalt seal coating services for your home or business in Riverside County? Toro Striping Incorporated is your trusted local expert, providing top-notch seal coating that protects and extends the life of your asphalt. Whether it's your driveway, parking lot, or commercial space, we deliver a durable, professional finish that enhances the look and longevity of your surfaces. Our team uses high-quality materials and state-of-the-art techniques to ensure a flawless seal coat every time. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Toro Striping ensures that your asphalt looks great and stays protected from the harsh elements. Regular seal coating prevents cracks, potholes, and other costly damage, saving you money in the long run. For reliable, professional asphalt seal coating in Riverside County and nearby areas, trust the experts at Toro Striping Incorporated. Contact us today for a free estimate, and let us help you protect and beautify your property with our top quality services.